In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your front outside door handle. The process will be the same for either side of your vehicle. The process for this is going to be very simple overall, and you're going to need some very basic tools. Let's start with a small pocket screwdriver. You'll notice on your door, you have this round plastic. Carefully get under that area and remove the plastic. Once you have that out of the way, have a look inside that hole. You're going to find one T30 Torx screw. Go ahead and loosen that. You'll notice it's a captured screw, so it's not going to come out, but you want to make sure it's nice and loose. Now that I have that screw loose, I'm going to continue on with my small pocket screwdriver. We want to carefully get in between this area. Obviously, I don't want to damage the paint on my door. I just want to pull it out. Now, as you can tell, this piece came out with the lock assembly. We'll disassemble this a little bit more in 1 second. Grab onto that door handle. We're going to take this door handle and slide it towards the rear of the car, essentially coming this way. Make sure I grab that gasket. Remove the door handle. Now let's go back to this trim piece. If you were to turn it, you're going to find you have an area where you can see two little pitons protruding through the plastic. We'll use our small pocket screwdriver and carefully get under this area. As I pry it, I'm also trying to press the plastic off of the lock cylinder. Now we can turn this, remove our plastic piece. Let's wipe down the door where the new handle's going to go. Let's put our gasket on here. Now, once you have it on there, we're going to continue on with our new handle. I'm going to take this and place it in while it's in the rearward position. Once it slides in, I'll continue sliding it forward. Now it's going to be time for the door lock assembly and its plastic trim piece. From the back side of the trim piece, we can continue putting this in place. Now the way I want to do this is take those two ears and just slide it in. Now I'm going to roll this side in and listen for a click. Give it a little tug, make sure it's completely secure. Let's take that door lock assembly and slide it into the door. Once that's in, start in that mounting bolt and make sure it's nice and tight. Put on your protective cover. Now before we go ahead and shut the door and test the outside door handle, I prefer to test it with a screwdriver first. I'm going to use this and put it inside the door latch. By pulling it towards the outer aspect of the door, that essentially tells the latch that it's in the closed position. It should be holding it tight. I'm trying to press it in this direction. Now I'm going to pull on that outside door handle. As you can tell, it released perfectly. Let's go ahead and shut the door and test it again. Perfect.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.